Today we're going to talk a bit about France's military situation prior to the revolution so we can understand how its various wars contributed to the French Revolution itself. So, during the 18th century, France was almost constantly at war with Britain, who is its traditional rival, and the other European countries. We're not going to go through and enumerate all of the wars. There were a lot of them. We have talked about the 7 Years' War priorly, and as well, there was the American War of Independence. And France was very heavily involved with the American Revolution. It certainly did contribute to the start of the French Revolution, but it wasn't as much of an ideological contribution, although there was that too, but a financial one, because France poured tons and tons of money into helping the Americans fight off the British. And while they certainly had the Americans' gratitude in that, it didn't end up leading to a lot of strategic gain for France. So, even though the American Revolution was successful, most of France's wars were unsuccessful, and they were all very, very costly. Between what had happened with the Sun King, Louis XIV, running up the debt to fund France's social and artistic development during his reign, and then the many wars that Louis XV and XVI got involved in. By the late 1780s, France was destitute. They were completely broke. The country was entirely bankrupt, and the treasury had been entirely drained.